algebraic shortcuts that you should know. If edge length is given as 400 picometer, remember that's 400 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 12 meter, picos value. Convert this into centimeter. If you convert this into centimeter, 10 to the power 2 centimeter, that is nothing but 400 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. Conclusion, whatever is this, just multiply by 10 to the power minus 10, you will get centimeter. Again, if you rewrite, can I say it is 4 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter? From this, we realize if your edge length is 3-digit number in picometer, convert this into 1-digit number with decimal place, multiply by 10 to the power minus 8, that is your edge length in centimeter. So, next time when you have edge length as 320 picometer, we can directly write on 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. Similarly, if edge length is given as 2 angstrom, then same logic, write down 1 digit and write on 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. That means more often in the chapter of solid state, edge length will be 1 digit with some decimal places multiplied by 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. So, whether it is an angstrom or whether it is a picometer, you can conveniently write down. Next thing, you should be aware, density of heavy metals will be usually 8 to 17 gram per centimeter cube. This is for heavy metal. Density of light metal, very light metal, can be like this as 0.7 to 4 gram per centimeter cube. Even ionic solids have density in this range. Whenever you want to use Avogadro number in the chapter of solid state, you can very well write down 6 into 10 to the power 23 like this. And you want to do cube root, how to do a cube root? Remember, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. So, somebody asks you cube root of 1, you know it's 1 only, cube root of 8 is 2. Now, imagine somebody asks what is cube root of 6. Now, we don't know the value, but at least we know it will be between 1 to 2. At least that much guess you can do. Cube root of 27 is 3. But now somebody asks what is a cube root of 20? We know 20 lies between 8 and 27. 8 cube root is 2, 27 cube root is 3. So, 20 cube root will be between 2 to 3, but closer to 3. Similarly, somebody asks what is cube root of 100? Think what is cube root of 100? We are aware cube root of 125 is 5, cube root of 64 is 4, 100 lies between 64 and 125. Therefore, your answer will be between 4 to 5, but closer to 4. So, these were all the algebraic shortcuts that you should be aware while dealing with numericals of solids. The first type of the numerical, which are based on density. If you see these numericals which are based on density, then how many variables are available in this? One is density, other is rank, molar mass and A. These are variables because Na value we already know as 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. We are aware. So, there are 4 variables. Out of these 4 variables, 3 variables will be given and 1 variable will be asked. More often that variable which will be asked is either density or edge length. So, these are the commonly which are asked, either density or edge length. If you know Z value is 1 for SCC, 2 for BCC, 4 for FCC, 6 for HCB, remember that. and whatever is a value given in picometer, if you convert into centimeter, it's 10 to the power minus 10. Density for ionic crystal, what is important? For BCC ionic solid, rank is 1. For BCC metallic solid, rank is 2. Remember that. For FCC ionic solid, 4. For ionic crystal, there are only 2 types of ionic crystal. One is BCC ionic crystal, other is FCC ionic. Next numerical of density related only. In this case, density is already given. You are aware of the formula. Density is equal to Z or Z multiplied by M divided by M cube into Na. How many variables are there? D, Z, M and A. Out of this, how many should be given? 3. Just check. They have given M, they have given density, and they have given body centered cubic system. That means Z ka value is given. That means they have given density, they have given Z, they have given you M. So you can easily calculate edge length. So, alright, it is like this. You are aware for BCC, the rank value is 2. So, formula density is Z is equal to M multiplied by M upon A cube into Na. So, we rearrange for A cube. This will be what is the formula which is applicable. And then we substitute the value of Z, that's 2, value of M is 50, density is 6.8 and Avogadro number is 6 into 10 to the power 23. This is what you will get. So, A cube will be 100 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 23 divided by 6.8 into 6. Like this you will have suggestions. Suggestion is make this as one more 0, 6.8 into 6 and make this as 10 to the power minus 24. Put one more number here and decrease a number here. Okay, like this we have done. And A value will be cube root of this. That means cube root of 10 to the power minus 24 is 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter and you will get a number. So, 1000 divided by 6.8 multiplied by 6, that is what we are having. So, right, approximation will be 1000 upon 7 or into 6. This is what is an approximation. 7 multiplied by 6 is 42, that is 40 for all practical purpose. So, 1000 upon 40, if you take 1000 upon 40, you will be having 25. So, you are taking a cube root of 25. Cube root of 25, we know cube root of 27 is 3. So, cube root of 25 will be close to 3 but less than 3. So, 2.9 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. Whatever is a number, this number make it 3-digit number multiply by 100, that is picometer. So, it is 290 picometer. This is what is the next numerical. Always look out for 3 variables. Once you have seen 3 variables, then go ahead and do it. And one more algebraic shortcut that we have learned, always keep this as 10 to the power minus 24. So, your cube root will always give you 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter directly. Take care, this should be in gram per centimeter cube. This by default U means gram per mole only, remember. That means it is gram only. So, your answer will be definitely coming in centimeter. Any number, 1-digit number converted in centimeter of this part, make it as 3-digit number, you will get picometer.